You want me to open it? You want to open it? Are you going to open the present? It's from Beans. It's from Beans. Yeah, it's from Beans. And Rizzo. It's from Peanut Head. You going to open it? You going to open it? You want me to open it? Okay. You want to see what's in there? Oh, what's in there? Look what's in there. What's in there? What's in there? Look in there. What is it? Oh, look, it's a toy. It's a monkey toy. Oh, it's a monkey toy. Oh, and yeah, there's a ball. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness, it's a fetch me ball. Oh, my goodness, look at there. What do you think about that? Can we take it apart? Okay. Oh, my, are those good gifts or what? Those are wonderful gifts. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That was so nice of Beans and Rizzo. That was so nice. I know. I gotta take it out. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Is that a good toy? Rocket, is that a good toy? Is that a good toy? I see it. Let me see your toy. Did you get a new toy from Rizzo and Beans? Rocket, did you get a new toy from Rizzo and Beans? You did, didn't you? Let me see it. Can I see it? Can I see the toy? Bring it here. Oh boy, look at that. Look at that. Oh boy.